everybody. It's Vlogmas day 8 and I forgot to film at home. So now I'm walking to work and I feel very conscious, but luckily no one's around. But it's very cold. It's very, very, very cold today. Like, as you can see. Hello. Oh, you want some love? Okay.
So it's a real fish, stonefish. I'm sure I've told you once in the corner.
I've heard of it.
Oh, you just want some love, don't you, Dolly? Don't you, Dolly? Where's your paw? Where's your paw? Good boy.
What was the
And the paw?
Kylie Minogue's character?
Oh.
His name was A. Marvel, B. Masters, C. Mechanic.
You're so hairy. Like Hairy McClary.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Love that book.
Oh, you want some lovely. So, I am back home from work now, and I completely forgot to start a vlog this morning. So there's like a clip of me walking to work, sort of cold, and I don't even know what I was saying. I was very tired, I was running late. I didn't even open my advent calendar this morning, so I'm going to do that now, because otherwise... So let's open it. Where is day 8? Here is day 8. It's probably another. It's gonna be another shower gel. I knew it. So I got a strawberry shower gel. Yay! So I've got all these different shower gel flavors. I'm very happy. Oh, is this day 9? That's a massive one for tomorrow. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, I need to get changed, and then I will be with you in no seconds at all, because to you time just passes like that. So I've just got changed, as I've said. Hello. Had a normal day at work. It was fine. It was freezing cold and it snowed today for approximately 3 minutes. It set on some cars and then it stopped and then it disappeared. So that was my snow experience of today. I'm kind of jealous of the people who actually got it properly, but what can you do? This is what happens when you live in the south. But yes, I'm currently going to be catching up on some YouTube videos before going out, because me and Lauren are going to go for dinner. We're going to have Toby Carvery because it's Christmas and we want roast dinner, to be honest. There's no other reason for that. So I'm very excited for that. I just need to warm myself up because, oh god, it's horrible outside. What is the actual temperature? So it's currently 2 degrees outside, but it feels like -1, and I can tell you, it feels like -1. Whew, it's freezing, completely freezing. So, yes, I'm excited for food though, because I need me some mashed potatoes. So I'm just catching up on videos, and I'm currently watching the very lovely Ashlyn's Vlogmas Day 8 with her parents, who I actually asked a question and I told them how hilarious I think they are, because I think they're brilliant. I love Ashlyn and her videos. She's super sweet, honestly. Like, she seems like the sweetest human being. So Ashlyn, if you're watching this, I love you so much, and really hope one day we can meet, because that would be amazing. But yeah, this is what I'm currently doing. Room for some almond milk.
Guess who?
They already know, I've already told you.
Ruined the surprise.
We're in the car. I don't want to get outside, it's so cold.
We're a bit early.
Bit early. We've got a table booked.
Because we're wild.
Because we're so wild. It's gonna be busy. Okay, what time is it?
Like 7.
It's 7. It's cold. I'm gonna get outside and freeze.
But you got a new video going up.
I'm ready for all the food. My plate is going to be mashed potatoes.
More mashed potatoes.
More mashed potatoes.
A bit of gravy.
Gravy, mashed potatoes, carrots, mashed potatoes.
Maybe
mashed
Yorkshire
potatoes.
pudding.
Maybe Yorkshire pudding. Hi. How was your dinner? Look at that. It's empty plate. Goals. Look what I'm buying! I've got cute little Christmas earrings. Yay! And on your head. It may appear like we go to Asda all the time. We don't live here. It's just I needed to buy some Christmas presents, so did Lauren, and I wanted to do some Christmas earrings, buy some Christmas earrings and a Christmas head thing. Even though both of which are for children, but if that doesn't sum me up as a person, I don't know what does. But it jingles! Jingle bells. I mean, look at this. This way? Is that way? This way, yeah! Oh!
Did you just hit yourself in the face?
Yeah.
Brilliant, can't wait to watch that.
Look who it is! I'm not sure he likes it. Do you? It does look adorable though, don't you? The floor's all hairy. Hold on. Up, up, up. I've still got the tag on. I'm obviously home now. It's actually 20 to midnight. And I feel like today's vlog again is really short. But that's fine. I'm gonna take these off because I don't want my bells to be jingling all the way. Yeah, it's late. My voice has gone croaky. I need to get to bed, really, and have a nice sleep, ready for a really good weekend of Christmas fun and relaxing, present wrapping and all that good stuff. Oh. I look so pasty and also so pink. Yeah, I'm going to close Vlogmas Day 8 off and say thank you for watching. Leave likes, comments and all that jazz. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!